In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a MySQL database in Hostinger. Using Hostinger to manage your website can be both efficient and easy, and creating a MySQL database is no exception. I'm going to guide you step by step through the process, so let's get started and set up your database smoothly. First, we'll need to navigate to Hostinger's platform. Open your preferred web browser and head over to hpanel.hostinger.com. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your Hostinger account if you haven't done so already. The hPanel is Hostinger's custom control panel that gives you quick and easy access to various hosting features. Now that you're logged in and on the Hostinger dashboard, look for the Websites section. You'll find this on the left-hand menu, and it's the hub where you manage all things related to your websites. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can see an overview of your current websites and some additional options. Next, locate and click on the dashboard of the specific website where you intend to create a MySQL database. The dashboard offers a comprehensive view of your website's settings and configurations, making navigation intuitive and straightforward. You're doing great so far. Now, on the dashboard menu, you need to find Databases. The option should be right there. Simply click on it. Here you'll be able to manage all of your database needs, including creating, editing, and deleting databases, as well as managing users associated with those databases. Once you're in the Databases area, look for and click on Management. The Management section provides you with the tools necessary for configuring and adjusting your database settings. It's a centralized location for all your database activity. Now we arrive at a critical step. You'll need to type in the name for your MySQL database. This is going to be how you identify this particular database among others you might create, so choose a name that's both relevant and clear. Next, you'll enter a username and a secure password. These credentials are essential for accessing the database, so make sure your password is strong. Ideally, a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure security. With the database name, username, and password filled in, you're almost done. The final step is simple. Click Create. You'll find this button right there on the screen. Once clicked, Hostinger will create your new MySQL database with the details you've provided. And that's it. You now have a brand new MySQL database up and running on Hostinger. From here, you can begin to populate it with your data or connect it to your website or application as needed. Thanks for following along, and I hope your database setup went smoothly. Happy database managing!